Very good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, all of you. Today we are going to study past continuous tense. You have already studied about present continuous tense. And what is the concept of continuous tense? The main concept of this tense is at some time point an action is going on. Okay, this is the basic concept of continuous tense. So just put this concept in past. So let's take a story. Yesterday I went to a garden. I saw a bird. It was flying in the sky. As I entered in the garden, children were playing there. Some children were running while I was walking on footpath. Some girls were talking. When I went near them, they were laughing at some jokes. Yes, just examine these sentences. First is yesterday I went to a garden. This is past simple tense. I saw a bird. This is also past simple tense. It was flying in the sky. Means the bird was flying in the sky. What was the bird doing? Means which action was going on when I saw a bird? It was flying in the sky. So this is here past continuous tense. As I entered in the garden, children were playing there. Means which action was going on when I entered in the garden? Children were playing there. So this is past continuous tense. Some children were running while I was walking on footpath. Means which action was going on when I was walking on footpath? Some children were running. This is past continuous tense. Some girls were talking when I went near them. Some girls were talking. This is past continuous. When I went near them, they were laughing at some jokes. Means what action was going on when I went near them? They were laughing. So as you see the sentence structure, ing form of the verb is here and was were as helping verb. Yes, just see the positive form. I was sleeping, you were working, he was coming, she was reading, it was raining, we were shopping, they were watching a film. So these are some sentences. Now what is the difference between present continuous tense structure and past continuous tense structure? Yes, in present continuous we use is mr as helping verb, but here slightly different this tense is. Here we use was were as helping verb and rest of the sentence is same. I was sleeping. Means here we use ing form of the verb as we used in present continuous tense. So this is clear, the sentence structure. Now come to the subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement, with plural subject we use were, with singular subject we use was, and with I we use was. Now negative. Now you know very well how to make a negative sentence. We simply put not with the helping verb. Okay, I was not sleeping, you were not working, he was not coming, she was not reading, it was not raining, we were not shopping, they were not watching a film. So this is clear to you. Now question, you know very well how to make question, yes no type question. Just take the helping verb at the starting of the sentence like this: was I sleeping, were you working? And if we want to make sentence with wh word, so put wh word at the starting of the sentence and then helping verb, and then you can put the rest of the sentence. When was I sleeping, how were you working? So these are question sentences, means interrogative sentences of this tense. Next, now come to the main part of this tense. This is uses of past continuous tense. So first use is, this tense is used for an action which was continue at some time point of past. An action which was continue at some time point of past or when some other action was done. Means it is used in combination of past simple, as I have recently told you in that story. Second is in combination of past continuous. Third is for long actions with time expression word, means with words like all day, all evening, for hours. So with these type of words we use past continuous tense. Let's understand these uses. So here let's see this sentence. At 3 o'clock I was reading your letter. Means which action was going on? Reading your letter. And at what time point? At 3 o'clock. Means at this time point which action was going on? Which action was continue? Yes, reading. This action was continue at this time point. At 3 o'clock which action was continue? Reading your letter. I was reading your letter at 3 o'clock. So this is time point here. Next sentence, I was walking to the station when I met Soha. I was walking to the station when I met Soha. Here in this sentence there are two clauses, means there are two actions. In first clause there is past continuous tense, and in the when clause, because the connector is when here, conjunction is when, so this is called when clause. So in when clause here this is past simple tense. So this tense is in combination of past simple tense, and here this clause is working as a time point. It means I was walking to the station when I met Soha. Means when I met Soha, at this time point, when I met Soha, at this time point which action was going on? Which action was continued? This action. I was walking. This action was continue when I met Soha. Okay. Next is in combination of past continuous. When two actions were going on at the same time, then we will use past continuous in both of two actions. Like some students were talking when the teacher was teaching. In this sentence there are two clauses. Some students were talking, this is past continuous, and in when clause this is past continuous. Means these two actions are going on at the same time. When students were talking and teacher was teaching, these two actions were continue at the same time. And we will use in these type of sentences we generally use while conjunction. We use when also, but mostly we use while. They were playing while I was working. Means when I was working, at the same time they were playing. You were sleeping while she was studying. Means she was studying and at the same time you were sleeping. We use while in these type of sentences. Next is when we use time expression words like all day, all evening, 4 hours. It means for long actions. I was walking in the garden all day. This is a long action. So we use past continuous tense. He was reading all evening. She was working for hours. So in these type of sentences we use past continuous tense. So these are uses of past continuous tense. Now practice time. This is an activity for you to do. You just pause the video and do this activity, and you can write this activity in your notebook also. So here first question, fill in the blank with the past simple or the past continuous. Means this is the combination of past simple and past continuous. When I blank, the teacher blank the summary. So I have already told you that with when clause we use past simple, and with the other clause we use past continuous tense. When I arrived, the teacher was writing the summary. Remember one thing, with when clause you are to put past simple tense. This is to remember only for this type of sentences. Next, this is an activity for you. Yes, you have to tick whether the sentence is correct or incorrect. So I hope now you understand this tense very well. You do practice, and one thing is that in story we use past simple tense and past continuous tense. This is an extra use of this tense. So when you read your chapters, try to mark the tenses also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.